Yeah, in this session we will learn how to increase or decrease memory allocated to our instance, Oracle instance. The Oracle virtual box is here, manager it's showing, and memory as well as hard disk capacity and changing of the configurations as our wish to see the features are available readily. By unfortunately you have chosen 1 GB RAM of your virtual machine instance. You need to increase the RAM capacity of your instance. The simple step, left side on left pane you choose the which instance you need to change the memory, and go to the settings. Here all the details will be displayed. Just a second. Here all the details of the your instance information will be available. General information about the details of the description, which operating system is running on, and system base memory, what are the acceleration configurations are available here, and the display, the storage, which is the device is connected of the storage, and capacity of the storage, and audio, it will be inherited from host machine, network interfaces, USB, so on. Now we will see the memory and storage increasing or decreasing, how to the simple steps. Selecting the instance on the left pane and go to the settings. Now you will see here, yeah, on left side there is a system, second option. This is the version of Oracle is in a 6.0 latest one, and you will find out the left pane, that is in a system. Here the base memory motherboard, the option tab is there, I have selected. On base memory it is allocated for 4096 MB. It's a 4 GB of memory I have allocated for my instance. If I want to increase or decrease, simply you need not even type it. Simply take this one, the scroller is available here, controller of the amount of the memory providing of the virtual machine. If you assign too much, the machine might not start. Okay, and you see here there is a green is there, till that point you can assign the memory, or else you can reduce it to take into the left of the mouse point. The right side here you will observe that point is in 2048, it's a 2 GB, it's assigned. Again I am dragging to right side. Likewise you can choose your increase and decrease your instance memory capacity when you need not to access that particular VM. Once the VM is shut down position, then you can go to the settings and do these appropriate activities. And likewise you can processor also, you can increase or decrease the processors. If green is available till now, you can assign your instance to two processors. Okay, one is sufficient for me. And at the next you will see here the storage. Here the storage, the controller IDE, if you want to assign a pen drive like a first bootable devices or CD-ROM DVDs, you can click add optical devices here, first option CD symbol plus, and choose the disk, and here it will displays your connected, if any connected ISOs are there in your local system or pen drive, it will be displayed here, or else you can add it and browse from your system, and you can select the file and you can connect it. Okay, likewise you can do the appropriate activities. And now I would like to tell you the thing one more. Here the audio controller is available here. All right, yeah, SATA port facility, solid state drive, SSD, it's saying that if you want to function like an SSD, you check it. Now see here, when checking the guest system, we'll see the virtual disk as a solid state device. It might be give you enough fast performance. Okay, I hope you better understand about these configurations of memory and acceleration of space. Thank you for watching this system. Thank you.